Is your Toshiba TV turning on, but only showing a black screen? Maybe you can hear the sound, or maybe even see the power light glowing, but the screen itself remains completely dark. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can often bring your TV back to life in just a few minutes. We'll start with the most basic checks and gradually move toward more advanced troubleshooting. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share the ultimate reset method that solves the majority of black screen problems. So, grab your remote, stay with me, and let's get started. Step 1. Check power and connections. Before diving into complex solutions, we need to make sure the basics are covered. Check the power cable. Ensure that the TV's power cable is securely plugged into the back of the TV. Sometimes cables can get loose if the TV was recently moved, or if pets and kids accidentally tugged at them. Test the wall outlet. Plug another device like a phone charger, lamp, or fan into the same outlet. Step 2. Check the remote and TV buttons. Sometimes, the problem is not with the TV, but with the way it's being controlled. Use the TV's physical buttons. Instead of using the remote, press the power button on the TV itself. If the standby light blinks or changes color but there's still no display, it means the TV is receiving power but not showing an image. Check the remote control. Weak batteries can sometimes power the LED on the remote, but fail to send enough signal to the TV. Step 3. HDMI and input check. One of the most overlooked causes of a black screen is actually an input or HDMI issue. Cycle through inputs. Press the input or source button on your remote. Your TV may be stuck on the wrong input, like HDMI 2. When your device is connected to HDMI, check HDMI cables. A loose, bent, or damaged HDMI cable can cause a black screen with or without sound. Step 4. Perform a soft reset. If none of the above worked, the next step is to give your TV a soft reset. This helps clear out minor software glitches. Unplug the TV. Switch off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Wait at least 60 seconds. Don't rush this. Waiting allows all the residual power inside the TV's capacitors to drain. Press and hold power button. Step 5. Factory reset. If the soft reset didn't solve the issue, it's time to try a more advanced option, a factory reset. Here's how. Unplug your TV. Start with the TV unplugged. Press and hold power plus volume down. Hold both buttons on the TV panel. Plug the TV back in. While still holding the buttons, plug the TV into the wall. And that's it. By following these steps, from checking cables and inputs, to performing soft resets and factory resets, you should be able to fix the Toshiba TV black screen problem in most cases. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more TV troubleshooting and quick fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.